So, good morning, students. So, today we are going to discuss about second year botany, first unit, fourth chapter, 4 marks question answers. That is the third. That is the third one. Describe C4 pathway or C4 cycle or C4 cycle or Hatch-Slack cycle. C4 cycle or Hatch-Slack pathway. So, because of the first stable compound, 4 carbon compound, that is oxaloacetic acid. The 4 carbon compound is oxaloacetic acid. Oxaloacetic acid, which is formed in these plants. Hence, so here the pathway is termed as C4 pathway. Plants which undergo this pathway are called C4 plants. So because of in these plants, first stable product is OAA, oxaloacetic acid, which is 4 carbon compound. So that is the reason it is the C4 pathway. The plants which undergo this pathway, the plants which undergo this pathway are called C4 plants. So generally these C4 cycle occurs in subtropical and tropical regions of world. Subtropical అంటే ఉప ఉష్ణ మండలము, అంటే కొంచెం ఎండ ఎక్కువగా ఉంటుంది. ట్రాపికల్ రీజియన్స్ అంటే ఎక్కువ ఎండ ఉంటుంది, ఎక్కువ ఉష్ణం ఉంటుంది. అంటే ఉప ఉష్ణ మరియు ఉష్ణ మండలాల్లో పెరిగే మొక్కలు జనరల్ గా C4 మొక్కలు. C4 cycle is occurs in the plants which grow in subtropical and tropical regions. Tropical and subtropical regions. So the most distinguishable anatomical feature of C4 leaf is the presence of a sheath surrounding vascular bundle. This anatomical specialization of a C4 leaf is Cranch anatomy. Cranch anatomy. So imagine this is the TS of leaf and transverse section of the leaf. At center is there will be a vascular bundle is present. Vascular bundle. This is the vascular bundle sheath. So this sheath, the sheath is have a specialized cells. So this kind of now variety kind of sheath we can see surrounding vascular bundle. This sheath arrangement is called Cranch anatomy. So this was discovered by Cranch scientist. Hence, this anatomy is called Cranch anatomy. This is only seen in C4 plants, but whereas in C3 plants, now I will draw only normal vascular bundle sheath is present. So like this. This is the major difference between in C3 plants and C4 plants. This type of vascular bundle we can see in the this type of vascular bundle we seen in the C3. This type of vascular bundle we seen in C4 plants. So this type of vascular bundle is called Cranch. So this anatomy, this was discovered by the Cranch scientist. So example for C4 plants, maize, sorghum, sugarcane. These are the best examples for C4 plants. So Now, in C4 plants, the first carbon dioxide acceptor is PEP, phosphoenol pyruvate, which is 3-carbon compound, which is a 3-carbon compound. So CO2 in C4 plants taken up by the PEP, phosphoenol pyruvate, which is 3-carbon compound. So which accepts CO2 in the form of hydrocarbons, that is HCO3. HCO3 is present in the mesophyll cells. So I will show you mesophyll cells. Nothing but this is the transfer section of the leaf, and this is the upper epidermis. This is the lower epidermis. Between total space is called mesophyll, in which cells are present. In these cells, mesophyll cells, these between upper epidermis and lower epidermis, cells are present, especially. So centrally vascular bundle is present, and there here irregular cells are present. Here elongated cells are present. So this is the mesophyll from upper epidermis to lower epidermis. Between two epidermis space is called mesophyll. In these cells, first of all, CO2 is taken up by the in the form of hydrocarbon, that is HCO3. So which enzyme is responsible to absorb the carbon dioxide by the PEP means, that is PEP carboxylase. PEP carboxylase. This enzyme helps to taken up by the carbon dioxide by the phosphoenol pyruvate. So here you can see that the chemical equation which they given, phosphoenol pyruvate, which is taken up the hydrocarbon, that is HCO3, and which enzyme is participate, PEP carboxylase. Here this PEP carboxylase convert the PEP plus HCO3 into oxaloacetic acid. So here it is the 3-carbon compound. It is the 3-carbon compound. Here already 1 carbon is there. 3 plus 1, 4. So here oxaloacetic acid is the 4-carbon compound, which is the first stable product in the C4 plants. Hence this pathway is called C4 pathway. Such plants are called C4 plants because of first stable product in the C4 plants is the 4-carbon compound, that is oxaloacetic acid, OAA. So hence this pathway is called C4 pathway. Next, oxaloacetic acid. Oxaloacetic acid is formed in the mesophyll cells, then converted into malic acid. So in the mesophyll cells, the OAA converted into malic acid. Malic acid. OAA converted into malic acid in the mesophyll cells. So malic acid transported to the bundle sheath cells. Already I explained to you, these are the bundle sheath cells surrounding the vascular bundle. So this is a vascular bundle sheath cells. Malic acid is enter into the bundle sheath cells. Malic acid is enter into the bundle sheath cells. So now here you can see this is malic acid is transported to the bundle sheath cells. So these are the bundle sheath cells of the vascular bundle. Now in the bundle sheath cells of malic cells, malic acid is broken to release carbon dioxide and pyruvic acid PA. So malic acid is converted into pyruvic acid plus carbon dioxide. So from the malic acid here what happens, which is the 4-carbon compound, Right. So here in the malic acid is converted into pyruvic acid. It which so malic acid is usually it is the 4-carbon compound and which undergo malic decarboxylase reaction and divide into two compounds. One is the 3-carbon compound is called pyruvic acid, and one is the carbon dioxide, 1 carbon. So the 4-carbon compound is divided into 3-carbon compound and 1-carbon compound. 3-carbon compound is called pyruvic acid. 1-carbon compound is called carbon dioxide. So in this way, so in the bundles itself, malic acid is undergo division and produces two components. And then now what happened? Pyruvic acid is transported back to mesophyll where it is converted to phosphoenol pyruvic acid again to complete the cycle. Whereas carbon dioxide released in the bundle sheath cells enter the C3 cycle, and then C3 cycle what happened? Glucose is formed. So Rubisco enzyme which is present in the bundle sheath cells and taken up, and CO2 is utilized in the C3 cycle and synthesize the glucose. So this is now, let us I will explain the diagrammatically. Here there is be a picture is there. Now here you can see this. So now I will explain in picturetically, and let us take this is most important. This picture is indicate that this is the C4 cycle, C4 cycle, which was discovered by Hatch and Slack. Hence, this cycle is also called Hatch-Slack cycle. So this is also called C4 pathway. And why it is called C4 pathway or C4 cycle means in these plants, the first stable product is 4-carbon compound, that is oxaloacetic acid, hence it is called C4 cycle. Now the C4 cycle is required 2 cells in the plant leaves. So imagine now this is the transfer section of the leaf. This is the upper epidermis. So this is the upper epidermis. This is the lower epidermis. Between the mesophyll is there. Between this is entire mesophyll. So centrally located a vascular bundle, and below the upper epidermis there will be a cells are called palisade parenchyma and nothing but mesophyll cells. And here down irregular cells are present. These cells also mesophyll cells. But here what happens? Now let us take this is a vascular bundle, but this vascular bundle is surrounded by a specialized sheath. This is called bundle sheath. This is only in we can see in C4 plants leaves only. Why? Because this bundle sheath has speciality. So now let us take here. This cell is a mesophyll cell, and this cell, sorry. So now I will draw the mesophyll. So this is the vascular bundle. This is the vascular bundle, and surrounding a sheath is present. A sheath is present. This is called bundle sheath. This is called bundle sheath, which was discovered by Cranch scientist. Hence, it is called Cranch anatomy. Now imagine, so this is the bundle sheath cell. Bundle sheath cell. So this is the mesophyll cell. In first, what happens? Carbon dioxide from atmosphere. Carbon dioxide from atmosphere is taken up by the carbon dioxide from atmosphere taken up by the mesophyll cell. So mesophyll cell is taken. Now carbon dioxide is entering. Now which is converted into HCO3. 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 This HCO3 is bind with, so here one carbon is there, one C. HCO3 consists one carbon. Phosphoenol pyruvate already which is present in the mesophyll cell. That is what PEP. PEP, which has 3 carbons. How many carbons? 3 carbons. So 1 carbon and 3 carbons, and fixation is carried out. Fixation is carried out. So HCO3 bind with phosphoenol pyruvate. HCO3 have 1 carbon, PEP have 3 carbons. So this is called fixation. This fixation is carried out by the phosphoenol carboxylase. Now there will be a C4 acid is formed. C4 acid, 4 carbon compound is formed, that is oxaloacetic acid, OAA. OAA, C4 compound. So OAA, oxaloacetic acid, because of forming 4 carbon compound, hence this pathway is C4 pathway. Now let us take here this 4 carbon compound, oxaloacetic acid is enter into the now bundle sheath cell. Now this is a bundle sheath cell. Now it is enter into the bundle sheath cell and it is transported. Now here what happens? It is transported and this is converted into another 4 carbon compound is malic acid. That is called what? Malic acid, Ma. Malic acid. This is also have 4 carbon compound. 4 carbon compound. Actually, malic acid is formed in the mesophyll cell only. Then it is transported into the bundle sheath cell. So now in bundle sheath cells, malic acid is there. This malic acid is in bundle sheath cell. So undergo decarboxylation. Decarboxylation. Now here what happens? After undergoing malic acid decarboxylation, one CO2 is released, one CO2. And C3 acid is formed. C3 acid is what? Pyruvic acid. C3 acid what? Pyruvic acid. It is the 3 carbon compound. So now here whatever CO2 is released. So 2 compounds we can say. When the malic acid undergo decarboxylation, one CO2 is released, one pyruvic acid is released. This pyruvic acid is have 3 carbons, and this carbon dioxide is undergo in bundle sheath cell Calvin cycle. In Calvin cycle, what happened? One carbon dioxide is undergo process and form the glucose. Glucose is formed. Starch is formed by the Calvin cycle. So you have to keep in your mind, Calvin cycle is occurring in the bundle sheath cells. Actually, it is the total, it is the C4 cycle, but in the which what happened, C3 cycle also is occurring. So in C4 plants, C3 cycle is occurs. C3 cycle is nothing but Calvin cycle. Here what happened, glucose is forming from the carbon dioxide. So now the pyruvic acid, which is 3 carbon compound, is transported to the mesophyll cell. Again what happened, this pyruvic acid which is having 3 carbon compound regenerate or developed in, form into a phosphoenol pyruvate, which is 3-carbon compound. Again, it fixes the again next CO2. So in this way, this cycle will be continue. Hence, it is called C4 cycle. This is you have to remember in examination level. Most important, the C4 cycle. So first of all, you have to remember the C4 cycle is occur in two cells, mesophyll cells and bundle sheath cells. Mesophyll cells and bundle sheath cells.